Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 9th of October 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the U.S. president's pledge to slash energy prices by half within 12 months has failed spectacularly. Skyrocketing energy prices are being blamed squarely on the president's irrational war on solar and wind power. Electricity prices have surged at an unprecedented rate in the first half of 2025. Instead of decreasing, they have increased by 10% already, and they are expected to go higher. The repeal of a Biden-era tax credit program for clean energy in July resulted in billions of dollars worth of investments in renewable energy sources evaporating. Today, a new landscape is emerging in Uzbekistan's energy sector. The vast steppes and desert plateaus of the Karakalpakstan and Navoy regions have emerged as some of the most promising areas for wind turbines and energy sector development. Uzbekistan has declared ambitious targets for renewable energy. The country aims to install 8 gigawatts of solar and wind capacity by 2026. They also hope to have 12 gigawatts by 2030, including 7 gigawatts of solar and 5 gigawatts of wind. Octopus Group and Energiequelle are launching a joint venture to dramatically reduce energy costs and emissions for companies in Europe. They have an aim to invest around 200 million euros. With more than 1.7 gigawatts of renewable energy projects worldwide, Energiequelle is one of the German companies that is significantly driving the expansion of renewable energies. Germany is still one of the largest industrial polluters of greenhouse gases in Europe. Last year, the industrial sector alone was responsible for around 24% of total emissions in Germany. The European Commission has referred Sweden to the Court of Justice of the European Union for failing to transpose new EU rules designed to accelerate permitting procedures for renewable energy projects. The EC said the decision follows repeated warnings from the Commission. It comes after Sweden missed the deadline on the 1st of July 2024 to incorporate the provisions of directive into national law. Sweden has not notified any transposition measures more than a year after the deadline expired. Spain's energy regulator CNMC has opened a short public hearing on an urgent resolution to temporarily modify 4 grid operating procedures to stabilize voltage on the peninsular power system. The move follows an October 7th request from the system operator. They reported rapid voltage swings over the previous 2 weeks. While they were within limits, there was a risk of triggering demand or generation trips and jeopardizing security of supply. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.